For the guidance of mankind, God has given insight in the holy books to be aware this life is very short and there would be a cross-questioning. Those who are feel that they have full power, they can do everything, nobody can catch them. They were given insight that you have a short stay in this world. Better learn and see what would be the end result in this respect. Just see in this surah, we should learn from it.
يوم يغشاهم العذاب من فوقهم ومن تحت أرجلهم ويقول ذوقوا ما كنتم تعملون.
On the day, the punishment will cover them from above them and from below their feet. And it is said, taste the result of what you used to do.
يا عبادي الذين آمنوا إن أرضي واسعة فإياي فاعبدون.
O my servants who have believed, indeed my earth is spacious, so worship only me.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت ثم إلينا ترجعون.
Reality.
Every soul will taste death, then to us will you be returned.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لنبوئنهم من الجنة غرفا تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها نعم أجر العاملين.
And those who have believed and done righteous deeds, we will surely assign to them of paradise elevated chambers beneath which rivers flow, wherein they abide eternally. Excellent is the reward of the righteous workers.
الذين صبروا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
Who have been patient and upon their Lord rely.
وكأي من دابة لا تحمل رزقها الله يرزقها وإياكم وهو السميع العليم.
And how many a creature carries not its own provision? Allah provides for it and for you, and He is the hearing, the knowing.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَسَخَّرَ الشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ فَأَنَّىٰ يُؤْفَكُونَ.
If you asked them, who created the heavens and earth and subjected the sun and the moon, they would surely say, Allah. Then how are they deluded?
الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Allah extends provision for whom He wills of His servants and restricts for him. Indeed, Allah is of all things knowing.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّن نَّزَّلَ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَحْيَا بِهِ الْأَرْضَ مِن بَعْدِ مَوْتِهَا لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ قُلِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْقِلُونَ.
And if you ask them, who sends down rain from the sky and gives life thereby to the earth after its lifelessness? They would surely say, Allah. Say, praise to Allah. But most of them do not reason.
وَمَا هَٰذِهِ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا لَهْوٌ وَلَعِبٌ وَإِنَّ الدَّارَ الْآخِرَةَ لَهِيَ الْحَيَوَانُ لَوْ كَانُوا يَعْلَمُونَ.
And this worldly life is not but diversion and amusement. And indeed, the home of the hereafter, that is the eternal life, if